Post. Today we will see about a financial handbook, that is the FHB Volume 2 and FHB Volume 2, some MCQs, 100 MCQs we will see today. Department has released a financial handbook Volume 2 in 2022 and there are some 170 rules under this FHB Volume 2, and out of this 170 I will cover some 70 today. First question: a bulk mailer in a corporate mail office or a bulk mail center is a firm that is capable of posting off 1000 unregistered articles to 50 registered articles at a time, 2000 unregistered articles, 500 unregistered articles at a time, 5000 unregistered articles, 250 registered articles at a time, 1 lakh unregistered articles and 1000 registered articles at a time. Your time starts now. Please post your answers in the comment section. That way you will learn quickly. A bulk mailer in a corporate mail office means it is 5000 unregistered articles and 250 registered articles at a time. So this is from the rule 2 of 33 of FHB Volume 2, and in FHB Volume 2 you have the different chapters, and the first chapter will be introduction and the second one is the definitions, and chapter 2 contains supply of stamps, introductory, post offices, supply of stamps from stamp depot, philately and RMS, and chapter 3 will be having revenue receipts, postal revenue, postage collections, posting of RNP, franking services, BNPL, and unpaid postal receipts. These all things will be there. So the major part will be some products and services and the postmaster's duties also you will see here. And the second question: who will fix the maximum value of stamps to be kept in the stock for non-gazetted postmasters? Rule 4 of FHB Volume 2. Divisional head, director of postal services, CPMG, PMG, concerned postmasters themselves. Your time starts now. 5 seconds. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is divisional head. Divisional head will fix the maximum value of stamps to be kept in a non-gazetted postmasters. Next question: who will fix the maximum value of stamps to be kept in the stock for Group B postmasters? Rule 4 of FHB Volume 2. Divisional head, director of postal services, CPMG, PMG, concerned postmasters themselves. Your time starts now. For Group B postmasters, it is director of postal services. Next question: who will fix the maximum value of stamps to be kept in stock for Group A postmasters? Rule 4 of FHB Volume 2. Divisional head, director of postal services, CPMG, PMG, concerned postmasters themselves. Your time starts now. The answer is CPMG and PMG. These things you have to remember. Who will supply commemorative stamps to certain philatelic bureaus and presidency post offices? Rule 7 of FHB Volume 2. Postal Store Depot, Nasik Security Press, Circles, Postal Accounts Office, Circle Office. Your time starts now. Supply of commemorative and commemorative stamps to the philately bureaus and presidency offices will be made by the Nasik Security Press. Next question: which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. Philatelic Bureau provides for special cancellation of on the first day covers and special covers. Statement 2. Philatelic counters do not provide cancellation of first day covers or special covers, but a standard cancellation of first day of issue only, which is similar for all philatelic issues. Rule 13 and 14 of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 only true, 2 only true, 1 and 2 are true, neither 1 nor 2 are true. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. Here you should understand the basic difference between the philatelic bureau and a philatelic counter. The answer is both statements are correct. In a philatelic bureau, it will provide for the special cancellation of first day covers and special covers, whereas in philatelic counters they don't provide for the cancellation of first day covers. However, first day of issue stamp will be impressed. Okay. Next question: which of the following is a branch of HORSO specifically set up by the department to deal with the receipt and sale of all philatelic items like special commemorative stamps, first day covers, special covers, new issues in definitive stamps and new stationery, etc. Rule 13 of FHB Volume 2. Philatelic counter, philatelic bureau, general philatelic counter, philatelic museum. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is it is a philatelic bureau. It will be established specifically in the department. It is a branch of HRSO where receipt and sale of philatelic items will be there. Next question. Which of the following are authorized to open philatelic deposit accounts? Philatelic counter, philatelic bureau, philatelic museum. Rule 15 of FHB Volume 2. 1 and 2 only, 1 only, 2 only, all of this. Your time starts now. Philatelic deposit account where it is possible. The answer is 1 and 2 only, philatelic counter and philatelic bureau. Next question. Which of the following offices is identified as a nodal office for accounting the philatelic deposits received through electronically? Rule 15 of FHB Volume 2. Sansad Marg HPO, Mumbai GPO, Kolkata GPO, Bangalore GPO. Your time starts now. For philatelic deposits that are received through electronically, there will be a nodal office. It is Sansad Marg HPO. Next question. What is the brand name for personalized sheets of commemorative postage stamps? Rule 17 of FHB Volume 2. Definitive stamps, my stamps, thematic stamps, philatelic stamps. Your time starts now. Personalized sheets of commemorative postage stamps, they are called my stamps. Next question. What is the discount structure for my stamp for purchase of 2 to 100 my stamps? Rule 17 of FHB Volume 2. 10%, 20%, 5%, no discount allowed. Your time starts now. My stamp 2 to 100 my stamps if you purchase, what is the discount percentage? It is 10%. Next question. What is the discount structure for my stamp for purchase of more than 100 my stamps? Rule 17 of FHB Volume 2. 10%, 20%, 5%, no discount allowed. Time starts now. More than 100 my stamps, there is a discount of, it is 20%. Less than 100 it is 2 to 100 it is 10%. And you should understand that if you purchase 200 stamps, the first 100 stamps will only get 10%, and the 101 to 200 stamps you will get 20%. Like that the calculation goes. Which of the following statements are true with reference to discount structure of my stamp sheetlets? Statement 1. The discount structure for my stamp for purchase of 2 to 100 my stamps is 10%. Statement 2. The discount structure for my stamp for purchase of more than 100 my stamps is 20%. Statement 3. Discount of 20% will be allowed only on additional my stamp sheets lets over 100. Options A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1 only correct. C. 2 only correct. D. All of these are correct. Your time starts now. The answer is all of these are correct. Next question. Which of the following office will supply required stamps as per authorized limits as advance supply to mail office of RMS? Rule 19 of FHB Volume 2. Head record office, nearby sub record office, designated post office, RMS divisional office. Your time starts now. Which of the following office will supply the stamps as advance supply to mail office of RMS? The answer is designated post office. Next question. Who is the competent authority to grant licenses to the post registered newspaper without prepayment of postage? Rule 20 of FHB Volume 2. Divisional head, CPMG, PMG, postmaster concerned, head postmaster. Your time starts now. Competent authority for giving license to the registered newspaper without prepayment of postage. The answer is CPMG or PMG. For normal registered newspapers with prepayment, it is divisional head. Next question. The license for registered newspaper without prepayment of postage shall be deemed to be cancelled if the bill remains unpaid by Rule 20 of FHB Volume 2. End of the week following the week which it relates, end of the fortnight following to the fortnight which it relates, end of the month following to the month which it relates, end of the quarter following the quarter to which it relates. Your time starts now. License for the registered newspaper without prepayment of postage shall be deemed to be cancelled if the bill remains unpaid. That means if the bill is not paid, naturally the bill if it is not paid, the bill will normally be raised on 7th of the month pertaining to the previous month. That means if this month is October month's bill will be raised on the 7th of November, and the customer has to pay the bill before 30th of November. Okay, if it is not paid, some 12% uh, penalty will be imposed. What is the fee for applying for new license for a franking machine, RMFS? Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, 375, 475, 575, 675. Your time starts now. RMFS fee, it is 375 for 5 years. Okay. Next question. What is the renewal fee for expired license of franking machine? Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, 375, 475, 575, 6. Okay. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. Renewal fee for expired license. Now here the question is the license has expired. Now what will be the fee? The answer is 475. If it is if the license fee is paid before expiry, that means before completion of the period, license period, it would be 375. If it is paid after expiry of license, it would be 475. 100 rupees extra will have to be paid. Who is authorized to issue, renew, suspend, cancel license of franking machine from time to time in the division? Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, divisional head, CPMG, PMG, head postmaster. Your time starts now. 5 seconds. The answer is divisional head. Next question. The minimum recharge amount for franking machine RMFS is Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000. The answer is 2000. Minimum recharge is 2000. Next question. What is the minimum amount of advance repayment for subsequent deposits for resetting of franking machine? Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, it is 1000 plus multiples of 100, 2000 multiples of 100, 5000 multiples of 500, 10,000 multiples of 1000. Time starts now. The answer is 1000 multiples of 100. So this is the answer. It is 1000 plus multiples of 100. Next question. What is the validity period for franking machine RMFS after date of license generation request? Rule 21 of FHB Volume 2, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. The answer is 5 years. Next question. To define a customer as a bulk customer under Speed Post, what worth of Speed Post business or business post or combination of both is in a calendar month should be provided at the Speed Post booking office or any location identified by the DOP? 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Your time starts now. Rule 22 of FHB Volume 2. To define as a bulk, who is called as bulk customer? The answer is 10,000. Speed Post business, whoever gives it, he is called as bulk customer. Next question. The Speed Post BNPL bill shall be raised by the Office of Posting by 7th of the following month, 15th, 20th, 30th. Rule 22 of FHB Volume 2. Your time starts now. 5 seconds. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is 7th day of the following month. As I have said earlier, the bulk BNPL customer of Speed Post shall pay the bill amount in full on or before. Rule 22 of FHB Volume 2. It is on or before 10th, 15th, 21st or last day of the month in which it is raised. The answer is on or before last day of the month in which it is raised. Next question. If the bulk BNPL customer of Speed Post fails to make the payment by due date, what is the rate of penalty per annum on the bill amount that shall be imposed from the bill date? 3%, 5, 10, 12%. Rule 22D of FHB Volume 2. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is 12%. Next question. In case the bulk BNPL customer of Speed Post chooses not to avail the credit facility and to make full payment at Speed Post articles, he shall be eligible for discount of Speed Post business provided by him in a calendar month is 5,000 and above, 10,000 above, 50,000 above, 1 lakh above. Rule 22D of FHB Volume 2. Bulk customer, if he chooses not to avail credit facility and he wants to make the full payment, then he is eligible for a discount provided he provides some business of amount 50,000 and above. Then only discount will be given. What is the additional discount offered to the bulk BNPL customer of Speed Post who either avails advance deposit facility or make payment at the time of booking? Rule 22F of Volume FHB Volume 2, 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Additional discount offered for the bulk BNPL customers who avail advance deposit facility or make payment at the time of booking. The answer is 1% additional discount will be given. What is the additional discount offered to the bulk BNPL customer of Speed Post who avails either avail advance deposit facility or make payment at the time of booking having monthly revenue of more than 25 lakhs? If the monthly revenue is more than 25 lakhs and he avails the advance deposit or he makes payment at the time of booking, the additional discount will be 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Rule 22F of FHB Volume 2. The answer is it is 2%. Normally it is 1%. If it is revenue is above 25 lakhs, it will be 2%. Next question. What would be the discount offered to the bulk BNPL customer of a Speed Post who either avail advance deposit facility or make payment at the time of booking in case booking data received with a paper manifest only without soft copy? Rule 22F of FHB Volume 2. The discount would be reduced by 1/4. The discount would be reduced by half, reduced by 3/4. No discount would be offered. Now time starts now. Financial Handbook Volume 2. The answer is discount would be reduced by half if the paper manifest is given without giving any soft copy. If soft copy is given, full percentage will be given. Otherwise, discount will be half. Next question. The revenue on registered acknowledgement fee insurance charges for registered parcel are brought under the head. Rule 24 of FHB Volume 2. Postage realized in cash for ordinary services, miscellaneous, acknowledgement charges, insurance charges and acknowledgement charges. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is postage realized in cash for ordinary services. That is the head of the account. Next question. Which of the following provides for complete mailing preparation to mail delivery, ideal for small businesses as well as large companies in India Post? Rule 24 of FHB Volume 2. Direct post, business post, logistic post, none of the above. Try to post your answer in the comment section. The answer is business post, in which all the pre-mailing activities are done. Next question. Cash on delivery service is available for bulk customers, especially e-commerce players, up to the maximum of Rule 24 of FHB Volume 2, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. COD services are available up to a maximum limit of 50,000. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to cash on delivery service? Statement 1. Insurance of cash COD shall be compulsory irrespective of amount of recovery from the addressee. Statement 2. Amount recovered from the addressee on delivery of such article by post shall be remitted to the sender through e-payment. Rule 22(6) of FHB Volume 2. Your time starts now. Statement 1 only true, statement 2 are true, statement 1 and 2 are true, both are wrong. The answer is statement 2 only is true. That means amount recovered from the addressee on the delivery of such article shall be remitted to the sender through e-payment. That is correct. Insurance of COD shall be compulsory irrespective of the amount of recovery from the address. Shall not be compulsory. So 1 is wrong and 2 is correct. So the answer is statement 2 only is true. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to direct post? Statement 1. Direct post is the unaddressed component of direct mail. Statement 2. A minimum quantity of 1,000 pieces can be accepted under direct post. Rule 26(4)(6) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 true, 2 true, 1 and true, and both are wrong. Your time starts now. Direct post. Many products and services are given in the definitions of FHB Volume 2. The answer is both statements are correct. 1,000 pieces can be accepted minimum and unaddressed mail. In India, it is unaddressed mail only. Direct post means in foreign countries, it will be both addressed and unaddressed mail. Direct post means. where the direct post articles are tendered in quantities of over 50,000, what percentage of discount to the sender or commission to the concerned advertising agency would be admissible? Rule 24(7) of Volume 2, FHB Volume 2. A. 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Your time starts now. Whenever the direct posts are tendered in quantities of more than 50,000, then a special discount will be given to the advertising agency or the sender. That percentage is 5%. Okay. Next question. This is important question. Communications in the nature of financial statements, bills, monthly account bills or any such other items of similar nature may be posted by the service provider to the customers at least once in how many days under bill mail service? Rule 24(7) of Volume FHB Volume 2. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. Your time starts now. The answer is 90 days. So at least in 190 days it should be posted. Then only it will be considered as bill mail service. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to bill mail service? Statement 1. Bill mail service does not include communication in nature of letter mail or having personal communication. Statement 2. Bill mail service does not include exclusive commercial publicity material. Rule 24(9) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 only true, 2 only true, 1 and 2 are true, both are wrong. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is both statements are correct. Okay. Bill mail service should not include the exclusive commercial publicity material. It is not allowed. That is correct. And does not include the communication. No personal communication should be there. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to bill mail service? Statement 1. Minimum quantity of articles to be posted at a time is 5,000. Statement 2. There is a credit facility under bill mail service. Rule 24(9) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 true, 2 true, 1 and 2 true. Both are wrong. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. Minimum quantity to be posted is 5,000. That is correct. And the credit facility under bill mail service, there is no credit facility under bill mail service. Okay, so the second one is wrong. Next question. Which of the following product in the DOP offers a special numerical code to the persons and organizations who may like to receive responses orders without having to supply reply cards, labels or envelopes to their prospective customers? Rule 24(10) of FHB Volume 2. Bill mail service, direct post, free post, business parcel services. Your time starts now. You have to identify the product that DOP offers, and it offers special numerical codes to the persons and organizations who may like to receive the responses without having to supply the reply cards. Without reply cards or labels or envelopes for their prospective customers, they can send. That is called free post. Okay. Next question. Which are the following product in India Post that offers total solutions to the businesses covering the printing services, mail room services, distribution services, and bill correction services? Rule 24(18) of FHB Volume 2. Bill mail service, print to post service, free post, business parcel services. Your time starts now. You may have to know what are the different products and services that India Post offers. Here the answer is print to post. In print to post, here you will find that the businesses covering printing will be done, mail room services will be done, pre-mailing activities, and distribution services and bill correction services also will be done through print to post. Next question. Sale of Rocky envelopes address verification service are offered by India Post under Rule 24 of 20 of FHB Volume 2. Bill mail service, print to post service, free post, retail post. Your time starts now. Rocky envelopes and address verification service. What are these services? They come under retail post. Next question. The unpaid balance EMOs relating to particular financial year is kept open in the books for how many financial years before transferring to revenue head forfeited money orders. Rule 24 sir 27 of FHB Volume 2. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Your time starts now. Before transferring the amount to revenue head of forfeited money orders, how much time it will be kept as unpaid balance for with reference to EMOs? It is 3 years they will be kept as unpaid balance, and after that they will be treated as forfeited money orders. Next question. What is the percentage of commission collected by Nodal Office Mumbai GPO for sale of sovereign gold bonds by India Post? Rule 2420 of FHB Volume 2. 0.5%, 1%, 2%, 5%. Your time starts now. Commission that is earned by the Department of Post for sale of sovereign gold bonds, that will be deducted by the Mumbai GPO, which is a nodal office for SGB. The answer is 1%. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to Magazine Post? Statement 1. Magazine Post provides for tracking and SMS alerts in respect of delivery of magazines. Statement 2. No volume discount under BNPL scheme or rebate under scheme of advance deposit is admissible under Magazine Post. Rule 24(9) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 only true, statement 2 only true, statement 1 and 2 are true, both are wrong. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. Magazine Post has been newly introduced, and it provides for both the statements are correct. They provide for the tracking and SMS alerts will be given, and no volume discount under BNPL scheme or rebate under the scheme of advance is admissible. So no volume discount and no rebate under the advance payment is eligible for Magazine Post. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to Magazine Post? Statement 1. Under Magazine Post, delivery will be address specific. Statement 2. Provision of BNPL and advance payment facilities extended to Magazine Post. Rule 24(9) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 only true, 2 only true, 1 and 2 are true, both are wrong. Your time starts now. Under Magazine Post, delivery will be address specific. Provision of BNPL and advance payment facilities extended to Magazine Post. Both statements are correct. Next question. Where a post office is attached with a bank account for drawal of funds and remittance of surplus cash, who shall ensure that the funds remitted to bank by cash and funds drawn from bank is accounted correctly in the books of bank and in treasurer cash book respectively on the date of remittance with reference to the e-bank statement which is generated from the respective bank website portal. Rule 31 of FHB Volume 2. Postmaster alone, treasurer alone, both postmaster and treasurer, neither postmaster nor treasurer. Your time starts now. Who will have to check the whenever the post office is attached to a bank account for drawal of funds? The answer is both postmaster and treasurer, they have to check this one. Next question. Salary payments including other bills payments to the departmental employees and Gramin Dak Sevaks can be made through which of the following modes? Rule 36 of FHB Volume 2. By service EMO, by cash, through a POSB or bank. D. All of these. Your time starts now. Important question this is. Salary payments can be made through. The answer is through POSB and bank only. All of these is wrong. You cannot make payments through service EMO, or you cannot make it through cash. It should be through POSB or bank account only. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to payment of salaries? Statement 1. No service EMO is permissible in case of salary payments including the other bills payments to the departmental employees and Gramin Dak Sevaks. Statement 2. Payment of salary by cash is not permitted. Rule 24(9) of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 true, 2 true, both are true, both are wrong. Time starts now. Same question, but in a different way it has been asked. The answer is both statements are correct. Next question. Who is or personally responsible that daily transaction report for the office is correctly and punctually generated on the day following that to which the entries relate, and generally that is their accounts are correct and closing balance of DOP cash tallies with the actual physical cash balance held in the office. Rule 37 of FHB Volume 2. Postmaster alone, treasurer alone, both postmaster and treasurer, neither postmaster nor treasurer. Your time starts now. Who will be responsible, personally responsible? The answer is postmaster alone. Next question. Who have to verify the entries of daily transaction report and is responsible for its correctness? Rule 38 of FHB Volume 2. Postmaster, treasurer, both postmaster and treasurer, neither postmaster nor treasurer. Who will have to verify the entries of DTR? The answer is postmaster. Next question. At least how many totals have to be checked by the postmaster under each of the heads receipts and payments in daily transactions report before he submits the account to PO? In case of duty of verifying, the DTR is delegated to subordinates employed in the office under special authority of the head of the circle. Rule 38 of FHB Volume 2. 1 total, 2 totals, 3 totals, 4 totals. Your time starts now. Whenever the duty of verifying the DTR is delegated to subordinates of an employee under the authority of HOC, the head postmaster has to check the 2 totals under receipts and payments. Next question. Verification and checking the correctness of closing balance as in the DTR of a branch post office shall be the responsibility of its. Rule 40 of FHB Volume 2. Head post office only, accounts office only, branch post office only, postal accounts office only. Your time starts now. Verification and checking of the closing balance of DTR of a branch post office. It is given here as a branch post office, so the answer would be account office. Next question. Which office should ensure that proper accounting of cash transactions done by branch post offices in digital mode, like collection and disbursement of IPPB deposits and payments respectively, and confirms that agent or GDS is accounting such a sum immediately without loss of time? Rule 40 of FHB Volume 2. Head post office, account office, branch office, OAPAO, IPPB deposits and payments, it will be checked by the AO. Next question. The detailed procedure to be followed by the branch office in compiling their daily accounts and in submitting them to their account office, that is head office or sub office, which they are in account, will be found in the Rule 40 of FHB Volume 2, Post Office Guide Part 1, Rules for Branch Office, Postal Manual Volume 7, Financial Handbook Volume 2. Your time starts now. Detailed procedure by branch office in compiling their daily accounts and in submitting their account office will be found in rules for branch office. Next question. The daily totals of head post office, sub office or branch office transactions, head office of account wise will be added together in Rule 46 of FHB Volume 2. HO summary, HO cash account, head office classified cash book, none of this. Your time starts now. The daily totals of HO, SO, BO will be added together in the head office classified cash book. Next question. The several items of which the daily balance of the head office classified cash book is composed will be shown in the Rule 46 of FHB Volume 2, Postmaster balance sheet, HO cash account, HO summary, none of this. Your time starts now. Several items of which daily balance of HO classified cash book is composed will be shown in the Postmaster's balance sheet. Next question. To work out reconciliation between the head office classified cash book and the TCB by deducting from the closing balance of head office cash book the actual admitted balances of subordinate offices and items in transit is the objective of Rule 46 of FHB Volume 2, Postmaster balance sheet, HO cash account, HO summary, none of this. Your time starts now. The objective of postmaster balance sheet is to work out the reconciliation between the HO classified cash book and the TCB by deducting from the closing balance of the head office cash book the actual admitted balance of the subordinate offices and the items in transit. Okay. The schedules relating to payments on accounts of PLI, RPLI, off-cycle payments, bills paid should be submitted to Circle PAO on the Rule 48 of FHB Volume 2, 1st of each month, 16th of each month, 1st and 16th of each month, last of the each month. Your time starts now. Off-cycle payments and these things, RPLI, PLI, bills paid will be submitted on 1st and 16th of each. Next question. The head office classified cash account of head office for previous month will be submitted to the Postal Accounts Office by Rule 49A of FHB Volume 2, 1st of each month, 5th of each month, 7th of each month, 10th of each month. Your time starts now. Cash account. When it will be submitted to the PAO? The answer is 5th of each month. Next question. All transactions which need to be supported by the vouchers bills should be dispatched to Circle Postal Accounts Office duly tallied with the progressive total as in Rule 51 of FHB Volume 2, HO slip, HO summary, head office classified abstract, none of this. Your time starts now. Whenever you are submitting the cash account, whenever you are sending the vouchers and bills to the PAO, they should be tallied and the progressive total should be same as a HO classified abstract. Next question. Which of the following record must always be prepared wholly by the postmaster himself, supported by the APM accounts or accountant attached to the post office? Rule 52 of FHB Volume 2, HO slip, HO summary, the DOP cash balance report including transit, the POS cash balance report including transit. Your time starts now. Postmaster himself only should prepare it. What is it? It is the DOP cash balance report including transit. Next question. Who is responsible that the balances in cash and stock of the postage and other postage stamps at the close of the day are within the limits prescribed fixed by the head of the region or circle or by the superintendent of post offices as the case may be? Rule 54 of FHB Volume 2, Treasurer, Head Postmaster, both A and B, none of these. Your time starts now. Responsible that the balances in cash and stock of postage are within the limits. The answer is Head Postmaster is responsible for that one. Okay. Next question. If it is necessary to keep stamps in excess of authorized limit, the reasons therefore should always be similarly recorded in the postage stamp register, daily transaction report, both A and B, none of this. Your time starts now. If it is necessary to keep stamps in excess of authorized limit, where you should write the reasons? Answer is both A and B, both in the postage stamp register as well as the DTR. Next question. The actual balances held in cash and stock of postage and other stamps at the close of each day together with authorized balances must be entered in the statement of balances in the prescribed form by HO and submitted punctually to the superintendent of post offices every week, fortnight, month, none of this. Rule 54 of FHB Volume 2. Please post your answer in the comment section. Cash and stock balances statement should be submitted to superintendent every week. It will be a weekly statement. First or 8th, like that, it will be submitted every week. Next question. In a head post office, who is personally responsible for correctness of returns rendered by him or her to the Postal Accounts Office and for punctuality of their submission? Rule 56 of FHB Volume 2. Accountant or APM accounts, treasurer, the postmaster, none of these. Responsible for correctness of the returns submitted to the PAO. Punctuality. Next answer is the postmaster is responsible. Next question. Who should carefully see that all money transactions are brought to account as soon as possible after they occur and that the accounts received from the sub and branch offices under their jurisdiction are all correctly accounted for in several books and registers maintained in his or her office? Rule 56 of FHB Volume 2. Sub-account assistant, treasurer, postmaster, accountant or APM accounts. Your time starts now. Who has to see that money transactions are brought into account? Answer is the postmaster has to see that sub office and branch office accounts they are correctly accounted for in the several books and registers maintained for the purpose. Next question. Which of the following duties of postmasters relating to the accounts are correct? 1. The duty of checking the head office cash book. The duty of checking the schedules of receipts and payments. The duty of examining the acquittance rolls. The duty of checking the memorandum of distribution of pay and travelling allowances. Rule 56 of FHB Volume 2. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. All of this. Your time starts now. So the following are the duties of postmasters. The answer is all of these are the duties of the postmaster. He has to check the HO cash book, schedules of receipts and payments, acquittance rolls, memorandum of disbursement of pay and travelling allowances. Which of the following duties of postmasters relating to accounts are correct? The duty of examining the sub-office transactions and the branch office transactions. The duty of examining the head office DTR. Rule 56 of FHB Volume 2. 1 only correct, 2 only correct, both 1 and 2 are correct, neither 1 nor 2 is correct. Your time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. Answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question. Every evening before the office is closed, who should count the cash in the office and satisfy himself or herself that the total of the amounts are so ascertained, agree with the total shown under the particulars DOP closing balance at the foot of the daily transaction report and cross-verify with the DOP closing balance as in TCB. Sub-account assistant, treasurer, postmaster, accountant or IPM accounts. Your time starts now. Rule 57 of FHB Volume 2. The answer is the postmaster has to do this one. Next question. In large offices in which 2 safes are kept, it will not be necessary for the head postmaster to count the contents of both safes daily. However, the contents of both safes must be counted by the postmaster on the last working day of every. Rule 57 of FHB Volume 2. Week, fortnight, month, none of this. Your time starts now. The answer is week. Every week he has to verify the contents of the both safes if there are 2 safes on the last working day of the every week. Next question. At post offices, selection grade sub officers and other officers will have to maintain register in ACG 85 showing in details the balances of postage stamps including cards, envelopes, etc. of each denomination where the authorized stamp balance is above. Rule 57 of FHB Volume 2. In short, if you want to tell, it is where you will maintain an authorized stamp balance. Okay. That is stamp balance register you will maintain. Whenever the amount is postage stamps is authorized balance is above 500, it will be maintained. Next question. The unused loose service postage stamps and stationery and revenue stamps found on counters of the post office or in letterbox will be. Rule 57 of FHB Volume 2. Kept out of account till the end of the month following that in which they are found. Kept out of account till 2 months, 3 months. Will be taken to stock immediately of such stamps and stationery where there is no claim. The answer is kept out of accounts till the end of the month following that in which they were found. 1 month they will, end of the month they will keep it there out of account. How are the unused loose service postage stamps and stationery and revenue stamps found on counters of the post office or in letter boxes disposed? Will be kept out of account till the end of the month following that in which they are found. Will be taken to the stock of the stamps and stationery where there is no claim. A and B are correct. None of this. Your time starts now. The answer is both A and B are correct. First they will be kept out of account till the end of the month following in which they are found. Later if there is no claim then they will be taken into stock. Next question. The head postmaster is personally responsible to see that each item of cash in transit is duly acknowledged and cash balance of the recipient is increased. Rule 57.5 of FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant or APM accounts. Sorry, the answer is given. It is the answer who is personally responsible. Next question. In the evening of the day, who should ensure that there are no intermediary heads of account pending with the balance and ensure such intermediary heads are nullified for the day? Rule 57.6 of FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant or APM accounts. The answer is Postmaster. Next question. Who has to compare that all the transactions against that sold are correctly brought into the e-schedule and also properly depicted in classified cash account for the day? Rule 57.6 of FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant, APM accounts. The answer is Postmaster. Next question. Who should ensure correctness of accounting of remittances made and drawings are properly accounted and depicted in both in his books as well as the bank books? Rule 57.9 of FHB Volume 1, FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant. Drawings and remittances, they are properly accounted for. Who has to see? It is the Postmaster. Next question. Who should compare the entries, drawings from Treasury and cash paid to the Treasury in the books with that of a Treasury passbook and ensure himself that there is no variation between his books of entries with that of Treasury records documents acknowledged by them? Rule 57.10 of FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant. Who has to compare the entries from the Treasury and cash paid to the Treasury in his books? The answer is Postmaster. Who shall take e-schedule figures of all units under its DDOs and cross-checked and tallied with reference to the classified cash account for each day? Rule 57.11 of FHB Volume 2, Sub-Account Assistant, Treasurer, Postmaster, Accountant. The answer would be Postmaster. Next question. What is the limit beyond which payment made through acquittance rolls for disbursement of dues to the GDS or outsiders, etc., the signature of the payee has to be taken across and it has to revenue stamp of the value of 1 and the stamp has to be defaced with a day stamp? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 10, 1 lakh. Rule 57.19 of FHB Volume 2, where revenue stamp is to be used when the amount exceeds 5,000. Next question. Which of the following statements are true with reference to checking of IPPB transactions in SO? Statement 1. SPM shall ensure that any cash transactions for IPPB is accounted for and all cash transactions in MATM are brought to SO accounts on the day of transaction. Statement 2. SPM to ensure that there will not be physical cash lying with the MATM agent at the end of the day. Rule 57.22 of FHB Volume 2. 1 only correct, 2 correct, 1 and 2 correct. Both are wrong. Your time starts now. The answer is both are correct. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to IPPB transaction? SPM shall also ensure that cash transactions happened in MATMs of GDS at branch post offices are brought to BO accounts at the end of the day and no amounts is lying with the GDS agent of branch post offices. Statement 2. SPM should ensure for verification of IPPB MIS cash report in IPPB Finacle tallies with the list of transactions for the day. Rule 57.22 of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 true, 2 true, both are true, both are wrong. The time starts now. The answer is both are true. Next question. Cash management, accounting, transaction reconciliation, settlement reconciliation, records maintenance and checks and balances activities for services like ATM, IPPB, e-services, DOP products integration, digital services, Atal Pension Yojana, PMSBY, JJBY, sovereign gold bonds are made by 57/24 of FHB Volume 2. Respect to post offices, nodal designated post offices, concerned head post offices, none of these. Your time starts now. The answer is all these services will be done through the nodal designated officers. Respective post officers need not do anything. Automatically they come into the DTR. Next question. In the absence of pairing by system in all cases wherein RSAO, GL, that is General Ledger, is invoked, remittance transaction be supported by Rule 5723 of FHB Volume 2, drawal advice, receipt advice, remittance advice, none of these. Time starts now. In the absence of pairing by the system, in all cases where RASO entries are invoked, GL info is invoked, remittance transaction should be supported by the remittance advice. RASO or remittance advice. The postmaster should ensure that GST payments made on or before dash of each month corresponds to the collections, and in no case short or excess payment is done. Rule 5728 of FHB Volume 2, 1st, 7th, 20th, 30th. On or before it is 20th of each month. GST. You should remember this one. Next question. Who is personally responsible for all monetary transactions of RMS division and for correctness of accounts connected therewith? Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2. Head Postmaster of Postal Division concerned, HSA, HRO, Superintendent of Post Offices. The answer is HRO, Head Record Officer. Next question. The funds for monetary transactions in RMFS shall be through codified workflow as remittance receipts with. So transactions in RMS shall be through codified work as remittance receipts with. Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2, RMS Divisional Office, HRO, designated at Post Office, Postal Divisional Office. Your time starts now. Funds for monetary transactions in RMS, Railway Mail Service. It is designated at Post Office. Next question. Who is responsible for safe custody of cash and ensures that the cash is kept in safe custody along with the joint custodian in the RMS division? Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2, Head Postmaster of Concerned Division, HSA, Head Record Officer, Superintendent of RMS. In RMS, who will be the responsible for safe custody of cash? It is HRO along with the joint custodian. All the contents of the Head Record Office safe are held in joint custody of Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2, HRO Accountant, HRO Treasurer, HSA Accountant, Superintendent of RMS, HRO. Your time starts now. There will be a safe in which some cash will be kept for RMS, HRO for payments of bills and all. It will be under the joint custody of HRO and the accountant. Next question. Who is responsible for safe custody during working hours of the contents of the office safe in HRO? Working hours, during working hours, who will be? Whose responsibility? Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2. Accountant, HRO, HSA, Treasurer. The answer is accountant. Next question. There will not be any post as treasurer in RMS. There will be accountant. Okay. Who is responsible for verification of system e-cash account and is jointly responsible for verification before close of the Head Record Office of the balance of the cash balance of e-cash abstract with cash and of other articles, documents or property in office safe and for the safe custody of cash etc. after the safe is locked up for the day. Accountant, HRO, HSA, Treasurer. Your time starts now. Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2. Verification of system of e-cash account. The answer is accountant himself. Next question. Who is responsible for verification of system e-cash account and is jointly responsible for verification before close of the office of the cash balance of cash abstract? I think the same question. It is the accountant. Next question. The permanent cash impressed held by various subordinate or units under sorting division, RMS divisions like SRO, ASRO, RMS units will be shown as the balance of respect to head post office concerned, respect to HRO concerned, respect to RMS unit concerned, none of these. Rule 60 of FHB Volume 2. Permanent cash impressed. It will be the respective, it will be shown as the balance of respect to HRO. Next question. Which of the following records should be maintained by the head record officer to account for the cash received from payments affected on bills drawn by him? Rule 61 of FHB Volume 2, cash abstract, an e-cash book, e-schedule, none of this. Your time starts now. The answer is an e-cash book. Okay, e-cash book should be maintained by the HRO to account for the cash received from and payments affected on the bills drawn by him. Next question. Which of the following record is kept by each head record and sub-record office in which money transactions of the office itself are exhibited? Rule 61 of FHB Volume 2. Cash abstract, an e-cash book, e-schedule, none of this. Your time starts now. By HR, this time it is HR head record office and sub record office both in which money transactions of the office are exhibited. It is cash abstract. Okay, money transactions, so it is cash abstract. The receipt and disposal of all miscellaneous sums received by the officials of RMS from various sources should as soon as the transactions take place be entered in. Rule 62A of FHB Volume 2, cash abstract, e-cash book, e-schedule, treasury cash book. Your time starts now. Receipt and disposal of miscellaneous sums received from the officials of RMS. They should be in the TCB. Next question. At the close of each month in head record office, an extract from TCB should be forwarded to whom for information? Rule 62 of FHB Volume 2. Head record officer, sub-divisional inspector, superintendent of RMS, head HSC. The answer is superintendent of RMS. Next question. Under which section of Income Tax Act the drawing and disbursing officer is required to deduct income tax at the rate applicable to the individuals prescribed by the government for payment of advance tax for assessment year concerned while making payment of salary during the financial year under consideration? Rule 66 of FHB Volume 2, Section 80C, 80E, 80F, Section 192. Your time starts now. The answer is Section 192 of Income Tax Act, where you have to deduct the TDS. Next question. The DDO has to issue a certificate of the amount so deducted to his employees as income tax in form 13, 14, 15, 16. Time starts now. Rule 66 of FHB Volume 2. Generally, the DDO will issue form 16 for the income tax deducted. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. The term salary includes pension. TDS shall be deductible on pension disbursed by the DDOs and the TDS certificate will be issued in Form 16 accordingly. No TDS is to be deducted on disability pension to ex-servicemen. Rule 66 of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 correct, 2 correct, both wrong. Time starts now. Please post your answer in the comment section. The answer is statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. Arrears of salary is taxable in the year it is received if it has not been taxed in the earlier years on due basis. Statement 2. Arrears pertaining to past years can be spread over the respective years for tax calculations and a relief can be claimed if it were favorable to the employee under Section 89 of IT rules. Rule 67 of FHB Volume 2. Statement 1 correct, 2 correct, both wrong. The answer is both are correct. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. The government employee may get the relief under Section 89(1) where salary has been received in any year or where the terminal benefits taxable in lieu of salary received. Statement 2. An employee cannot claim set-off in respect of any other loss against his salary income for the purpose of TDS. Rule 67 of FHB Volume 2. 1 correct, 2 correct, both wrong. The answer is both are correct. Next question. Arrears pertaining to past years can be spread over the respective years for tax calculations and the relief can be claimed if it were favorable to the employee under Section 89 of IT rules by submitting a form number 67, Rule 67 of FHB 2, Form 16E, 10E, 9E, 16F. Your time starts now. Whenever you have drawn arrears for the past some 10 years, sometimes you may get arrears that can be distributed to the past years, and you can claim the deduction for each year so that it will be benefitable. The answer is Form 10E you will submit. Next question. Under which section of Income Tax Act DDO is bound to obtain and authorize it to allow certain deductions, exemptions or allowances or set off certain laws for the purpose of TDS on salary? Rule 67 of FHB Volume 2, Section 192 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. Your time starts now of Income Tax Act. The answer is 192 2D of the Income Tax Act. Next. DDO shall obtain BIN for TDS salary from Circle Postal Accounts Office 24G and file due returns in 24 quarters on 24Q on quarterly basis in such a way that the recovery affected is passed on to the respective IT e-ledger of the employee concerned. BIN refers to Rule 70 of FHB Volume 2, book index number, bank iteration number, bank identification number, book identification number. Your time starts now. Every DDO has to obtain a BIN for the TDS salary from the Circle PAO. BIN means book identification number. So this is a part 1 of first class. There will be another video covering the remaining portions of the FHB Volume 2. How do you like the video? Post your comment. Thank you.
Do subscribe to Career Post.
Subscribe
for
to
getting
Career Post.
The latest video. Click the bell icon. Thank you.